Hey, what's up everyone, SHB here. So Xiaomi has officially launched their Ultra flagship with the all new and the most hyped up feature of this phone, the new Sony IMX 989. It is the first phone which uses this 1-inch sensor, and Xiaomi has co-developed this sensor in partnership with Sony, which means Xiaomi is the only one that have access to this sensor. This time Xiaomi has also partnered up with Leica to build the camera glass which has ultra low reflection technology which makes the output even better. Just look at some shots that were taken by the Xiaomi 12s Ultra, and trust me, they look amazing. This phone is also the world's first 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is highly optimized, powerful and battery efficient, all thanks to the new TSMC 4nm based architecture. And trust me, this time Xiaomi has done a really great work and it can beat some of its competition like Samsung S22 Ultra in terms of performance. So that's it for this small video. Let me know what do you think about this phone in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.